Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we are looking at a 2019 Lexus RX 350 luxury package in the color Eminent White Pearl. Under the hood, you have a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 295 horsepower. You have your triple LED headlamps, your headlamp washers and fog lamps below, 20-inch alloy wheels, and keyless entry into the vehicle. You have black premium leather seats throughout and 14-way powered front seats. On your door panel, you have your memory seating, powered windows, locks, and side mirrors. And on your driver's panel, you have your auto high beams, rear trunk hatch, and heated steering. In the middle, you have a 12.3-inch screen display controlled by your Lexus remote. You have your audio and dual climate controls, your heated and ventilated front seats, cup holders, your mode selector, and on your steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and audio controls, and your cruise control and lane assist settings. You also have your controls for your multi-infotainment display. And above, you have your controls for your sunroof. Heading into the rear seats, you have your heated seat controls in the middle, levers on either side to release the seats, and manual sunshades on both doors. In the rear trunk, you have your anchor points throughout, alternate levers for the back seats, your tonneau cover, your spare tire below, and you have the option to lock the entire vehicle from the trunk. So come down to Lexus of Edmonton today, where we will find a vehicle best suited for you.